Welcome back. Today we'll see that how to create a pie chart by using the data which we imported earlier. So here in orders we can see the categories, cities and the sales and profit. Okay, so we'll create two pie charts. One is regarding with the sales and one is regarding with the profits. Let's start. Click on this pie chart. We'll see here the legends, values, details and tooltips. Just click on this categories or else you can drag and drop into the legends, and we need a sales. Drag the sales into the values. Now we'll see the pie chart how it's categorized into three parts. One is for technology, furniture and offices. These parts the consider as the legends, and we can format this chart by using this format options. Click on this legends, click on the text, and we can increase the size as well. And next we can see the slicers. We can change the color as well with the slicers. And next data labels. Click on the values and we can increase this data labels as well. Now go to the general, click on the titles and increase the font as well with the titles. Now, if I want to see the only technology as well, so here we can use this as a slicer. Now click on the slicer, just drag and drop the categories. Here we can see three things actually: furniture, office supplies and technology. Click on the technology, we'll see only the technology, how much sales has happened in the categories. Now if I click on this office sales, we'll see that how much sales has happened into this office supplies. Next we can go with the furniture as well, and here we can make a format as well for this. Let's click on this general, title, enter. Next, just keep it off and we'll see that how it's affect the categories. Now click on this, click on the font size. Now we'll see that how much profit has happened in the categories by using the pie chart. Next again we will not go further and we can just copy and paste this pie chart. Just remove these fields and drag and drop this profit. We'll see here are the profit and one is for the sales. In going further we'll see that how the line chart will be created and the ribbon chart. So until then, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.